We all want money, and money is interesting. And how do these pyramid schemes get us into our minds? When you get this exciting news, what comes into your mind is making money, becoming a billionaire, and becoming rich, which is very sweet for many people. But we never ask ourselves, how? We never ask ourselves, why? Why would these people tell us about these good deals? When NYS wale walikula hawakutuambia, but now you think like someone will tell you how to make 5K per day, how to make 20K per day. Good news, yes, but I never think twice. Always think twice. Because there's nothing like free lunch, free money. So, how do you tell a pyramid scheme? In many cases, pyramids are focused on the idea of recruiting members, not selling products. There may be products that do not have value there, but the main money-making machine is recruiting new members and get a discount. But after all, it all ended up in tears. So we see there's money to be made here. And this money is made through bringing new members and also selling product. And I said, these products do not have value. So how do I know a product doesn't have value? In many cases, they sell funny products, essential oils, vitamins, nutrients. These are funny products. And when you realize that when you evaluate the profit that you get from product is very low as compared to that of bring a new member. Just know this direct networking marketing. This is just an idea of pyramid schemes. They're just trying to evade some tricks. Why do people get into these deals? Because we want to get rich. We want to get rich quick. We want easy money. But in nature, in life, there's nothing like free money. So if you're desperate for money, and most people who get to those deals are people who are desperate for money. They want money. You want money to get, you want 5K today. You want 50K tomorrow. Sometimes these things don't work. So let's recap on things that you can tell this pyramid scheme. One, they have products that do not have value. It's essential oils. Two, the main profit is made through new members. And why do we get into these deals? Because we are desperate for get rich quick schemes. It do not work. So let me know what you think about this. And let me know whether you have ever been in this Global, GNLD, Tianchi, and others, because I know I have never tried them. And I was a bit keen to ask myself, why would someone come to a mentor on Facebook he makes, or to tell us that he makes 5K or 20K per day, and try to convince us to get to his to buy this idea? Kafula alikula pesa yake NYS peke yake and the others. So there's no scandal that is publicized on Facebook. They take money and eat, and it all goes. So subscribe, share, like, and comment. Till next time, I'm a host, James.